Well, God morning on the children. The praise is on to have blessed morning. This your day and thing like that. This year the Queen quit head on the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Happy African Liberation Day to all 100 children, wherever 100 be in the motherland and rather was if 100 day upon Niger Island in the sea. I been want to bless up all 100 children with what I been blessed up with the last few days. Instead of me get for crack my teeth with the Key Lumbo family and things like that. Thank you, brother Sheldon. Thank you, sister Dima, and things like that over Edfu to make sure that we gather together one more again. That all of we that fight for liberation for we people and things like that. And I take a stand for we land that do them this year together. That was Mama Africa. But look for we for do. And all 100 children, I want to share this thing with you who been on a journey with me through this Gullah Geechee garden and thing like that. And rather was to all these things for whole upon the sacred land where we ancestors and things we bury. So over the weekend, we be done re-inter and rebury the 100 children. My own for stand them that way better and thing like that. 22 of we ancestors. Now, that thing we're going to see on Gullah Geechee TV, if one ain't done see him, go on to gullahgeechee.tv, GULLAHGEECHEE.tv, one can subscribe for free. That thing ain't believed by we. So that's why the ceremony ain't been the way the Gullah Geechee would have done. But we the still hold upon the line and take a stand for we ancestors. Still a fight for not only them what done cross over into the ancestral realm and things like that, but for the children with a kind, for the children. I'm so glad that after my meditation this morning, the first thing I see was one message from Ella Carly Town with blessings. Second thing I see, but from somebody I before to know who it is. The Spirit lead me for open up the message. When I open up the message, abundance your sister, we did it in Alkebulan. Say she the African woman farmer. And see the video where I put on you of my squash and thing. That plenty of 100 children will follow me and things, especially if 100 day upon one the black farmers group. Y'all see the pictures and things now the rest of the day when I've been to show on the field and the harvest. Well, she tell me, see, I'd inspire she all the way across Shona. And then we both say to one another, Happy African Liberation Day. And I tell them, say, look here, it's a woman from Mama Africa and thing like that. A greater way when we celebrate this day. Then to continue to fight for hold upon the land and to walk the land what we can. Because right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, I thank God for all my foremother, all my forefather and thing like that. What we dare we never had them down, called them chattel and thing like that. Been a corn slave. They ain't been a no slave. I mean, African people. Igbo, Mandinka, Malinke, Yoruba, Gullah, Geechee, Mendi, Temni, Fiki, Bibio, and I've been indigenous people. Yamasi, Cree, Adisto, so on. Kusabo, Vanisha, Guadanisha. So now, when they've been a thief on, hold them down. They've been in enslavement. They ain't been in no slave. So now call the 100 ancestors no slave. Because them in the people, the other rest are trifling people, be enslaved. But guess what? You can't stop running water any. Okay then. So when them be meaning for evil, God mean them for good. So we ancestors we had the mother whip for no say. If they could have walked the land for the bucker, they could have walked the land for their own self. So the same thing my ancestors been to walk back in yonder. The same thing been to walk now. So all of this your land, it used to have plenty people have to do this, y'all. Have 100 people or more out here. Time for walk all of this, y'all. This year, I bless up, because I plan up all of this, y'all, by my own self. Only thing, couple brother and thing we come by and thing like that, when the semen of Hajj went down this year, thing, we keep out the grass and the weeds, so, and them help hold them down and thing like that. But the rest of the time, everything else, the seed, God bless me for have some heirloom seed, throw them in the ground, and yet steady, look y'all the shock I be see. I thought I be had y'all see down there. I thought it had nothing but the different kind of squash and thing that I could show on that in a minute. But for all my children who've been to shout with me when I find my first squad, look who did it. I said, oh, what on earth to do on this roll? Grab! I'm so glad if I see this shit. No. Yeah, y'all know what that is, honey. Okay, I would hope one of them know what that is. That's a cucumber. So soon, I got to have plenty of salad, because look right here. Look at who growing here. All kind of tomatoes, all kind of tomatoes, all kind of tomatoes. So it then turn the color, then I can show on the children what kind it is. Because I got about 3-4 kind of tomatoes in here and things like that. And so back at yonder, upon these islands and things, in the Gullah Geechee Nation, we're going from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki, to Jacksonville, Florida. These islands in the no play island we're going to see upon no TV. These are the Sea Islands, S-E-A, Sea Islands. These ain't no other rest of name for me. It is the Sea Islands in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And so, when we ancestors see this your beauty, this your land, then take a hand and use them. Like I said, what do you on a hand? We don't understand what do you on a hand. So you see, if you plant the right seed, you still have to have the right hand for hold the seed. You have to have some blessing for make them for grow and things like that. Because you see right here, from the same row, seed be planted, each one of these holes. You see that one there? Nothing coming up in them. See that one there? Something, what we ain't for snow either coming up. See that one there? Nothing there in them. So sometimes, honey can look at your family. Sometimes, honey can look at the same, as honey children live in the neighborhood. Sometimes, honey can look on the same island and things like that. And it seem like this your same thing. You see what great God in it, the same soil? In it is the same people. Well, how come some of this shit grow and some look like ain't nothing coming up tall? Well, I would feel that same way for a little while for the okra. But everything don't grow the same way, don't grow the same time. So see this your okra here, and see that okra there. You see that? It's still the same thing. But this one here take more time for come up. That one there is strong from butt. He come up mighty. He come up tall. We go see how he withstand all the weather and everything, y'all. So now, don't worry about that. That first you can't see everything that kind up at the same time. Just like on a hand, like the elders learn we, every finger and it's the same length, ain't it? But God give you all one gift. If we bring that gift together, as these your children in the Gullah Geechee Nation, oh, we strong, yeah? We strong. So, that is the thing we ancestors been know. So when they get together, they brought up tall, because one been a cracky teeth one way, the other rest of the cracky teeth the other the same way. The other one will come from one place, one will come from the other place, and they buckle them, mix them up together and things like that, and try for broke them up. Try for make them. For no think it a human being. For no think it had humanity. But we always been had that, see. And so when they join together, yeah, the Gullah Geechee people blessed by God. We know that night and day upon we. Because how you could have stand still with such a brutality and on a legacy. So now, some of the children who be to follow we at GullahGeecheeNation.com and read of us right here at Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook and part of we Facebook family. We thank on them for all who the support we sow. They're great God on the children. Y'all ain't first let me get this shirt out for y'all been write up and thing like that or send in the email. Say, I want this shirt. I want this shirt. This your shirt, as you see, that I got on right here. This the we new shirt for the 7 Gullah Geechee land caravan. 100 children, yeti me, Nounce, from the weeping time, sight, and Savu, and thing like that. And now, we about to bring them more to you. We done gone Georgetown and buried their ancestors Sunday, like when crack with tea to tell on it a while ago. And next, we going to have the Gullah Juneteenth, Saturday, June 19th in Chucktown. But the day before that, the evening before that, we going to have blessed reception with some of what dear members of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition and other supporters were done supporting the Gullah Geechee Land Legacy Fund. We want them to come and join we that evening. Me and the artist squad Stucky. But then that Saturday, bring your drum, bring your tambourine. Because when we the top of taking this a stand for the land, we have to honor them. Will come forward we, that hold the line, and had the mother with to think about the day we been a kind and save them for we. Their blood, their sweat, and tears in them. Rather was it bones. So, the Saturday, June the 19th, 12 to 3, right there where we to build the IAM, the International African American Museum, which I've been one of the founding board members for. We could be right across from there. If one be done, come to the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in Chucktown for that, then I want to know exactly where we could be. Because they'll build IAM on that land where we done pour plenty libation for now. Then after that, July 31st, we could be right up on St. Helena Island, South Kakalaki, launching the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. So plan now for there with we, for tell these other rest of people, take on a hand of Gullah Geechee land. Take on a hand of Gullah Geechee land. Now, you want this your tea, then go on and follow me at gullahgeechee.biz. That is the Gullah Geechee store. gullahgeechee.biz. A shirt coming out in a few days and things like that. That 100 children can go on and get. And then rather was, we got have upon the store upon your own FB too. But it going out to all of them what done join we and what we to do first. And done donate through Cash App, Gullah Geechee Nation, $ Gullah Geechee Nation, and the one who going to GoFundMe to the Gullah Geechee Land and Legacy Fund. I just have to take the time, this year African Liberation Day, and say thank you to all of 100 children. Well, take the time for not only stand with we, but forgive. You taught them not robbery, forgive, for help we, for take this your stand for Gullah Geechee land. And you see, all the supporters now, they want to go all around the world to wear on a shirt, but let them other rest of people, especially in the back of them, know, take on a hand off the Gullah Geechee land. Because we ain't been for we ancestors and things like that. Wouldn't be no America and things like that. We been the foundation. The foundation, gold, but a black gold. The black gold. 100 children, I had just want to share with 100 children for bless 100 soul the way God had them for bless me this year day. When I yeti, the sisters say, Queen, happy African Liberation Day. And you know what else they crack your teeth and tell me? Say, honor, that inspiration. That thing truly moved me from the meditation and send me out here with God. For pray some more, for work some more, for hold upon this your land, for the Gullah Geechee Nation show. So, even though, if honey here thinks say, it's time for show, because my little cucumber, you know, I tell you, if you can feed yourself, that's what liberation is. You ain't half away, but no other person. The control, what on your pun, how on your pun, when on your pun, when on get up, when on go in the bed, that's our freedom down. And why tell on her before? We gotta get you buzzed. Ha, a doctor. Wake crack your teeth and say, on a think free, on a be free, and that who we be. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. We free. So all 100 children, what a stand this your day for African liberation. We pray under the truly stand with we wherever under the be. God bless you. I going on and going sing a little while with these your bird and thing too. But I give you this year before you go. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be on a sled, I go be buried in my grave and going home to my God and be free. Stay free, think free, be free. God bless on her wherever on her be. We be Gullah Geechee.